What's good, fam? So today we back in the stew and I got this big ass box in my hand. Low key is kind of heavy, bro. Got some Supreme going on, some nostalgia vibes, and I'm gonna go over it in this video for y'all. Honestly, this is a random ass unboxing. I just got back from a restaurant and I say, you know what, fuck it. I got this big ass box. I'm trying to see what's inside of it, even though I already know what's inside of it, but I wanted to film it for y'all. So fuck it, here we are. We got some Supreme going on, some nostalgia vibes, and this big ass box. Leave a like on this video, subscribe, and let me know what was your latest pickup that you had. With all that being said though, let's get into this shit. So for the purpose of y'all watching this video through, I'm gonna leave the Supreme package for the end. Just stick around, you feel me? Don't skip, just watch. First we got this little envelope here. I went to this store in my local mall that sells a bunch of nostalgic shit, and I was like, you know what, bro? I need these. Feel me? I never had them as a kid, at least these two, so I definitely had to pick them up. We got the Winged Dragon of Ra, YuGiOh card, Obelisk the Tormentor. Come on, bro. These are iconic from my childhood. I just had to do it. We got Blue Eyes White Dragon, Dark Magician, and Summon Skull. This one is a little boom bang, little clean pickup. My first ever YuGiOh pickup on the channel. If y'all want the smoke on YuGiOh shit, bro, I got that shit for days. Just let me know and you could get smoked in YuGiOh. Low-key, this was my card game of choice as a kid. I liked Pokemon and shit, but YuGiOh was just unmatched, bro. Unmatched. Definitely a banger pickup. I saw these in the store and my little brother was like, you should pick them up. And I said, you know what? Fuck it. So now we got them, bro. If y'all want to see my whole YuGiOh deck and the damage I could put in with that shit, let me know in the comments if you're a YuGiOh fan. But that's the first little pickup. Second, we got this big ass box, and honestly, I'm gonna just open it up real quick and show y'all what's inside. Bing, boom, cut this shit open. Y'all see the POV? Come on, bro, stop playing with me. Damn, bro, shut your ass up. POV, yeah. Sheesh. So if y'all been fucking with the channel recently, I went live and I let y'all know that my car got smacked into, you feel me? So I'm in the process of rebuilding and just basically getting my car back to sexiness. And a part of that is gonna be these babies right here. Ooh, these shit's gonna look sexy. I'm gonna pull them out for y'all. About to be the new headlights on the whip. Come on, son. I'm not gonna take the film off because you gotta keep it pristine condition, but this shit gonna look sexy on the Lexi, bro. Come on, y'all see the vibes? Y'all see the vibes. I know you see the vibes.
Went from sneakers to this and this. $7? It's a whole Starbucks cup. What the hell's going on? $8?
We had my YuGiOh pickup, my headlight pickup, and what y'all here for, the Supreme pickup, you feel me? This is from Spring Tea Week. Honestly, I didn't go crazy, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Lately with Supreme, I just been hit or miss, you feel me? Hit or miss. If I love something, I get it. If I don't, I just don't fucking get it. They played me, bro. They ain't even give me the special sticker. So we got this Harlem Globetrotter looking ass sticker right there. Globetrotter sticker, first one. It's alright, you feel me? Low-key, I'm gonna do a little sticker giveaway for y'all real soon, courtesy of Babe, but we do got the Tamagotchi sticker. This tee was probably the worst tee I've seen Supreme do in my life, bro. Like, that shit was literally this fucking size on the shirt. Like, this little logo was the fucking design on the shirt. So that shit is low-key depressing, bro. It's one of these right here. Low-key, my Tamagotchi died, and this is not the first rodeo. Our shit died probably like 4 times, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but yeah, Tamagotchi, rest in peace. Low-key, they should have just put this on a fucking shirt. That would have been better, bigger. Like, bro, come on. Where the f do y'all get this from? Like, this isn't even the shit that they dropped. Like, what are you doing? Literally just put this on it. You would have been straight, but rest in peace, Ryan. We'll catch you on the flip side, homie. So, and obviously we got the regular box logo sticker. Nothing new, nothing special. Same shit. But the tee that we got right here is the Arabic logo tee. I got this one in black. Honestly, y'all know me with my goth ass. Every tee that I picked up from Supreme this season was probably black. And honestly, this one is one that I'm gonna end up keeping. I don't have any Arabic logo shit, so I feel like, why not? I love when they do this Arabic style shit. I feel like when it comes to Supreme, this is one of their iconic logos, and we don't see it all the time, so I definitely wanted to at least grab this one up. I honestly slept on everything else. If y'all saw the live cop, I was kind of back and forth between looking at the other tees, accessories and shit, shit, and I feel like in other times, other years, I would have went back and made like a fat ass cart for no reason just to buy this one shirt that I actually like, you feel me? But not anymore. This is the Arabic logo tee. I did like the fact that on these, they switched the color depending on the shirt that you got. That was actually a pretty cool touch. But let me know if y'all ended up picking up any of the spring tees. This definitely was my favorite, as y'all could see. There was a couple other ones that were pretty decent, like the strawberry tee. The one with the red letters on the front, I honestly forgot that shit already. That one was decent. Besides that, everything else was just a miss. I want to see what else Supreme has to offer this season. If y'all been seeing the channel, I've been going crazy with the sneaker content, so make sure y'all subscribe if that's something you're into. Leave a like on this video. This is honestly spontaneous and random. I wasn't even about to film right now. I honestly filmed this shit because I was trying to look at my headlights. I'm just being a little selfish, and I didn't want to open it without showing y'all, you feel me? So yeah, that's what's going on right now. We picked up some Yu-Gi-Oh cards, the Supreme Arabic logo tee, and my vland headlights for the Lexi. If y'all want me to make a video modding my car or anything that has to do with my car, let me know in the comments. I know some people on live said they want to see it, but I want to see if y'all actually fucking with it. If you are, shit, I might fuck around and do a mod list on my car, since it is something that I'm about to focus on before summer. I'm trying to get my car looking real ever since it got smacked up, you feel me? That's what's going on. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, morning, night, whenever you watching. Also, make sure you always go and chase your dreams, no matter the circumstance. Stay persistent, because that's the only thing that's gonna meet you at the end of the tunnel, bro. Like, if you stop, shit is never gonna work out for you. You definitely gotta keep going, and it'll all be worth it at the end. I love y'all for life. Thank you for coming through and showing love, as y'all always do. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.